I'm gonna show you an easy way to change your screensaver. So let's do it right now. The screensaver is an old-school technology that protects your screen while the computer is idle. Basically, it just shows some stuff moving on your screen instead of the boring day-to-day stuff. Right-click the desktop and click Personalize. You have to do this because the screensaver is personal. Click Lock Screen, scroll down and click Screensaver Settings. As expected, this will open the Screensaver Settings window. Choose a screensaver from the drop-down list. Hey, pause the video for a moment. Don't tell anyone, but just between you and me, there are websites where you can actually download free screensavers. A link to one such website is in the description below. Set the time and let Windows know how much idle time should pass before the screensaver is activated. Idle time is time that goes by and there are no keystrokes or mouse movements. Check the checkbox if you want Windows to display the logon screen to resume. This will lock the computer when the screensaver is activated and will require the password to resume. Click Preview to see the screensaver in action. Click OK to finalize the setting. You're all done. Now you can stare at the screen, wait for the screensaver to activate, and enjoy the view. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Oh, and don't forget to click that red subscribe button for more videos like this one.